Hi Keith, here's your Archimedes screw and I'm going to show you how quickly to split it into 4 sections. We will use the Boolean and the split face or split solid feature. Okay, so you need to get a negative of that, so you drag in, right mouse click, drop it on to, let's actually rotate this around because it's actually better from this side. Right mouse click, drag and drop, and you can actually put it over here. Let's put it there, drop as a new part. You want to click on that, and I'm going to pick this one here, and if I zoom in I can then pick that angle there, and I'm going to assume it's 140 for argument's sake. Wide, 140 wide, and that's equal either side. As you can see, what I want to do is now drag this up to the top there and also take that to that bottom edge. Then I'm going to say I actually want to, which is 120, I actually want to make that 140 by clicking on that, and that gives us that part there. And if I zoom out a bit, I just need to drag that, and I've gone over. So there's I've covered a block around that. You might know a specific size you want to put it on. Let's make that say 320 just for argument's sake. That fits in there nicely, but you can't see the other one. Oh, how can we do that? Go to properties, show hidden edges, and you can see you've got one part inside the other. Okay, so that's your basic block. Now what you need to do is subtract the two. Okay, so let's turn the hidden edging off, and you just click on Boolean, and it will come up and ask you a question. You want to do not a union, you want to subtract. What is the main body you want to subtract? So this is the one I want to keep, and this, and now it's saying what are the parts of the body for this subtraction. You can't select it. Well, there is another way you could do it. If you actually click on that part there by going in the properties, you can then actually select the two, say done, and therefore you've got that part subtracted from that block. And if you then show the hidden edges, you can actually now see, if I can now select it. Okay, let me go to properties here. You can see I've only got the one part there, but if I go back to properties, I can then show, oh, turn that off, show hidden edges. There we go. It just got it knickers in a twist, and there I've got that part already as a subtraction. If I was to open it up and do a split face and just move it all the way across, that will show you what's inside. I can quickly show you how to do that. That might not be a bad thing for you. Let me just select the part, click on tools, sorry, finger trouble there, and I want to do section part. Click on that one. I want to do the XY plane, so I want to ZY, pick the part I want to cut it at. So that one, you can see there's the plane, say OK, and there you cut all the way through, and you can see, let's turn off the hidden edges, and so that's a section through. That is not what you're after, Keith. I'm just showing you that we've taken the one part away from the other part. What you need to do now is split it. This is just a visualization, which if you wanted to, you could actually go in and select that part, put on the tribal, and actually move that, and you can see that it moves all the way through. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to suppress that because we don't want it, or we can even delete it. We don't really need that. At least I've shown you what we've got there, and you can see that this is what we're trying to do. And let's just show the hidden edges, and there you see. Right, okay, how do we do that? Well, we know that's in the center because I measured the space. So what I'll do is I'm going to drag and drop and put a block here. I'm going to drop a part, okay, and I'm going to turn the part off. Let's turn the hidden, oh no, let's leave the hidden edges on. So pick that one there. I'm going to drag that and I'm going to put it, shift key down, look for the center point of that line, and I'm going to just take that out from there, and I'm just going to take that up above there. So I'm not worried about the sizes for this, but I am worried about where it is in the middle, because if you want a split line down, straight down through the middle, I now need to take that part and go all the way through. So I've effectively cut the part in half by putting another block on top of it. Let's turn the hidden edges off, and there you can see that's what I've got. Two parts. I've got my part 8 with the cut in, and there's my part 10 which I've just put. Okay, how do we get that? We go to feature, we then do split, and it will ask you, what is a target part? Well, this is a target part. That's when you want to cut in half, and it shows you all the hidden lines and everything's going to split. And the tool part is this, and that's going to split that straight down the middle. You just say okay, done. Okay, and I've now got 3 parts. I've got that part, I got that part, and I got that part there. Okay, now what I need to do is I want to move this, I want to rotate it round. So I put the tri-ball on. Okay, I'm going to unlock the tri-ball, I'm going to put it to the center of that point there, which is the center of that face. Relock the tri-ball, pick the axes, rotate it round 90 degrees. Okay, so I've now split it in halfway in that axis. Okay, turn the tri-ball off, do the same thing again, split. The target part is that half there, and it shows you that's what it will cut it for, and the tool part is actually, no, that's run the wrong way. Let's take that out. The target part is that. Go to here. The target part is that, part 8, and the tool part is that. That's what it's going to give me. Okay, so it's going to cut that in half again. So I'm going to say yes, and I'm then going to split again. So I click on split. I pick that one, which is that half which I've already got, and the tool path is going to be this one. You see, it's just cut that in half there. Say OK, and now if I select that part, I can delete it, and there I've got the 4 sections all the way through. Okay, and if you see, I've got what you can then do part 1, A, B, C, D, or whatever. So you can pick that part, put the tri-ball on, you can move that out, you can move it up, turn the tri-ball off, pick that one, put the tri-ball on, move out. Same with that one. And the same with that. And there you can see I've done your section all the way through, and that makes a perfect cut. Okay, and you just got to play around, get the sizes right and everything like that. I noticed that I hadn't got the center point there, but that's a minor detail. You just need to adjust that. Okay, but that gives you the principle of how to do it, and it's very, very easy to do. Hope you found that useful. Any problems, give us a shout. Cheers. Bye.